When was the last time you went to your email inbox and said, wow, I have 10,000 emails and I'm going to read each and every one of them? I'm pretty sure never. कभी नहीं हुआ आपके साथ कि you were excited to see a lot of new emails in your email inbox. The reason is very simple. An email is an agenda that everybody else has for you and nobody wants to follow anybody else's agenda. इसमें ads होते हैं, इसमें service requests होती हैं, proposals होते हैं, anything and everything about selling to you and making you do things that others want you to do. And I'm pretty sure nobody wants to do what everybody else wants them to do. हर एक को अपने मन की करनी है. So, most of the people say कि भैया email marketing does not work. And I'm pretty sure जो लोग ये कहते हैं कि email marketing does not work, उनके लिए email marketing काम नहीं करती है. The reason is very simple. They send email messages filled with prospecting, sales, and pitches to everybody. Have you recently opened any such emails and been happy about it? Nobody is. So, email marketing works. दुनिया का करीब 17% business, global 17% business सिर्फ email से होता है, and that is a very, very significant value and number. Now, if you want to do email marketing, stop selling in the emails. Try to identify a problem and highlight that problem and try and resolve that problem. Give your clients something other than a sales pitch, and that actually gets your email open rate up. Slowly, it'll get your conversion and click-through rate up, and then it'll get your sales. चुटकियों में कोई पंडित नहीं बनता. सो चुटकियों में या एक या दो ईमेल वंस इन अ वाइल भेज के आपको कन्वर्जन नहीं मिलेगा. आपको अगर कन्वर्जन चाहिए, so you have to have at least a 3 to 6 month email strategy wherein you will filter people out and focus on the people who actually respond to your emails over a period of 3 to 4 months. Yes, this is a long process, but then this is the cheapest process you will have for sales. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, and definitely like, share, and comment.